Hey, how you doing? So today I got a special show for you. Longtime subscriber of mine, Henry. You'll actually see him in the comments. He goes under the handle KB3GIP123. It's always in the comments. Been around for a long time. We've been trying to hook up. He's been wanting to send me some exotic meats. Finally, we hooked up. He sent me exotic meats. He actually sent me some beef cheeks. So listen, you want to see what beef cheeks look like? You want to see how we cook them? Sit right back, relax, buckle your seatbelts. Let's go to the kitchen because here we go.
Zombie apocalypse.
Hey, how you doing? Good to see you again and welcome back to the show. Thanks for stopping by. And as always, hope to just find everybody safe, healthy, and in good spirits. So today, like you see in the beginning, I got exotic meat here, beef cheeks, sent to me by a longtime subscriber, Henry, which I appreciate. Henry, shout out to you, brother. Thank you so much. First time cooking this for me. So I'm going to show you what I got going on here, how I'm going to do it, and we'll work through this together. And if you like the video, definitely give it a thumbs up. You know, it always helps. But if you're new here, subscribe, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon, because I got plenty of new videos coming out. Next weekend, I want you guys a heads up. I got Chef Lee coming with a sous chef Crystal. It's going to be awesome. And Henry also just let me know that he will be sending some other exotic meats. So definitely look out for that. And let's get going, man. Let's cook these beef cheeks and let's see how it comes out. I'm going to take you over here a little closer, show you what I got and how we're going to do it. All right? All right, so here we go. What we have right here is the star of the show, the beef cheeks. Trimmed it up a little bit, got a little fat off there, looking pretty good. What we're going to cook this with is some sliced baby bella mushrooms, portobello mushrooms, sliced baby ones. We got some onions sliced up in the back there. We got a couple of garlics here, throw in there. In the back over there, we got some little baby colorful potatoes, a little bit of color. Throw that in there, some sliced carrots. And we got our beef stock, which we're going to cook it in, and a little butter. We're going to sear the meat first. We got a white pepper, and we got our garlic salt. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to put a little garlic salt on there. I'm sorry, a little bit of the sea salt on there, pepper. Then in the pot, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little oil in the pot, melt the butter, and I'm going to sear the meat. Once the meat is seared a little bit, I'm going to take it out. I'm going to throw in all the vegetables, get them going a little bit. Then I'm going to put the meat in, put the beef stock in, and it's going to cook for about 3 hours. That's the only problem here. It's got to cook for 3 hours, slow cook for 3 hours. But when it comes out, I'm sure it's going to be delicious. So let's get some of the sea salt on here. White pepper. Let's do the other side. Drop that in a little bit on that side. All right. Now I'm going to put a little bit of oil in a pan. I'll move you over here so you can see that. Throw some oil in there. I'm going to heat that up and put the butter in. I'm going to throw my butter in there. Just a little quarter stick of butter, nothing crazy. All right, now I'm going to get that butter to melt. I'm going to put my beef cheeks in there. I'm gonna sear them, get it, get a little brown. And then we're gonna put our vegetables. Just get it going. All right, the butter's almost melted, so I'm waiting for it to butter melt. Then I'm gonna sear this meat, take it back out, throw in our vegetables, our beef stock. We'll get ready for the 3-hour tour. It's like Gilligan's Island, 3-hour tour. Give you a quick look at that. There you have it. It's the butter melted in there. Now I'm gonna take the meat, I'll put it in there and sear it. Get a nice sear on it. Switch out these plates so I get a clean plate on it. I'm just moving it around, trying to get all the sides, sear on all sides. All right, that's about good. Now I'm gonna turn down the heat to low. Take out the meat. You can see I just seared it. See this here? Just kind of browned and seared it. Now let's get the vegetables in there. A little bit more oil on top of them. Now we'll take the meat, put the meat back in there. We'll get a quick look at what it looks like in up here. That's what we're looking like in there. Nice mixture. There we go, our meat right back in there on top. Now we'll take our beef stock. I'm gonna put this in, I'm gonna cover the pan with the beef stock. I'm gonna let it cook for 3 hours. I used the whole thing. It's 32 ounces, 2 pounds of beef stock I put in there. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a little bit of the pepper, the white pepper into there. A little bit more flavor, a little bit more sea salt. This is what we're looking at. Everything is pretty much covered with the beef stock. And now I'm gonna cover it. Make sure it's on low. And you guys can sit here and watch that pot for 3 hours. Nah, I'm only kidding. I'm gonna cut it off here. I'll see you back here in 3 hours. Take it out. We'll see how we did. All right, guys, hang in there. It's coming. As quick as right now. All right, here we go. So 3 hours have definitely gone by. But before we start, I definitely have to apologize to everyone. I forgot one of the main ingredients. I did put it in, but it wasn't until after I shut the camera off. But what I did put in that you did miss, as you see the glass of wine sitting there, I added wine to it. I added 2 glasses of wine. I have this one right here, which is the semi-sweet red wine, Cabernet. I don't know if you guys can see that. A little closer. Product of Italy. So yes, I do apologize. There was a couple glasses for the beef cheeks and a couple glasses for me. Cheers to everybody. But here we have it. The beef cheek is out, 3 hours. Let's cut into it. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, it's like butter. Look at this. Look at that. It's just falling apart. I wonder if I just do it with the fork. Oh yeah, look. That is tender. Now beef cheeks, real quick. I don't remember if I told you or not. Beef cheeks is actually the cheek of a cow. And they say it's a tough meat because, you know, the cow's always chewing on curd or cud or whatever that the freaking cows eat. I'm not a farmer. I don't know if you know that, but so it's a tough meat. But look, we cooked it for 3 hours and it's tender. It just falls apart. It's beautiful. And in the background there, you see we have our vegetables, potatoes and everything, which look good too. So let's take a test. Let's taste this meat for the first time ever, eating beef cheeks. Wow. Let me tell you something. That is tender. It's almost got the sweet taste, I guess, from the wine. It's a great consistency. Wow, I really like that. I really like that. This is definitely going to go good over those vegetables. Look at this. Look at how tender this is. Look at how this just falls apart. Watch this. Look at that. Oh my God, that is awesome. I gotta tell you, it's like a beef stew, I guess, if you're making a beef stew in a crock pot. Slow cooker. Awesome. I think you guys should definitely try this. It's an exotic meat. Let's see what we got here. All right. Once again, a great shout out to my friend Henry. Appreciate you sending that exotic meat. Guys, if you enjoyed that, please definitely give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you know it's time to come on a video. As I said, Henry said he will be sending some more exotic meats. This weekend, we definitely have the chef Lee and his sous chef Crystal coming on. They're going to be cooking their fried chicken for us. So yeah, beef cheeks. First time I ever made it, first time I tasted it. I thought it was great. I think if you guys want to try something different, you'll enjoy that. And thanks again for stopping by. I appreciate it. Don't forget, again, hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon. Until next time, I appreciate you guys stopping by. Stay safe, stay healthy, eat what you want. Remember, when you're in the kitchen, you're the boss. I'll talk to you soon. Take care. I'm out of here. So long.